Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688. Call or WhatsApp.
Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 57 of our free course ETAP. In the lecture, from the lecture number 54, we are discussing the motor reacceleration studies. And in today's lecture, we will study that motor reacceleration using the voltage relay. We are using the voltage relay to reaccelerate the motors. In this lecture, we will see how the voltage relay disconnects non-essential motors when it observes the under voltage condition, and then it checks again whether our bus has regained the voltage. If the bus has regained the voltage, then it will allow the motor reacceleration of the essential motors. And if it does not happen, that our voltage is not regained, that bus voltage is not regained, then it will disconnect the also the essential motors. In the previous lecture, we have studied that when the motor acceleration was started, we have discussed the one case that our fault clearing time of 0.5 seconds. At that time, the motor does not reaccelerate. I will show again. This is the condition where I will run the transfer stability analysis, and I will check like that. You can see for this clear after 0.1 seconds. Okay, the motor does not accelerate. We can show it from U graph so that it can remind you that what was the case after 0.5 seconds. This was the starting case which we discussed. You can check our previous lectures also. You can see here the motor does not accelerate. Our bus voltage is around 68%. It does not go back to 100%. So our motor does not accelerate. You can see also from induction motors, we can close this and select the induction motors and select the slip, and you can see the motor does not reaccelerate. Slips are most increasing, constantly increases, so that means our motors are deaccelerating constantly, and finally the motor becomes halted and motors are not reaccelerated. Now we will use a voltage relay to reaccelerate the motors on the same fault clearing time. So I can close it and I will go to edit study case. And here is the edit button. You can see here edit. You can click on that and then take the voltage transformer and double click on the voltage transformer and go to the rating. And here the voltage is 6.9 on the primary side of the voltage transformer or a potential transformer, and secondary side we kept 120 volt and click OK. Then connect the primary object to the bus 7, and then also take the voltage relay, and this is the voltage relay, and connect it to the secondary of the PT and double click on the voltage relay and go to the settings. There are two conditions. One is overload, over voltage condition, and another is under voltage condition. So we can set the under voltage condition. Click add. We will set that if the voltage is below 70%, then open the circuit breaker 9. We will consider this is a non-essential motor. After clearing of the fault, it will wait for 0.5 seconds is the clearing part. We can take kept it 3 seconds, 3 milliseconds. Okay, the 0.8, that is 0.3, 0.5, 0.8. Okay, then we'll add one more case, that if the voltage is 70% below, after 0.8, 0.8 is 0.8, 0.5 is 0.8, and that is after 1 second. Then it will open the circuit breaker 7. We will take it 1.4. That is almost 1.35 seconds. You can wait and click OK, and run stability and run transit stability analysis. We will see the first fault occur at 0. After 1 second. Then fault is cleared after 0.5 seconds. Then voltage relay has opened the circuit breaker. It has observed the voltage and voltage condition and opened the circuit breaker 9, and then it checked it again, but it does not find any voltage variation and voltage condition. So the motor, essential motors, accelerated. Now we can go to the graph and check what is the graph saying. No, so we can select the buses first and voltages. Bus 7, bus 8. We can see motor reaccelerators. Okay, at this time, one motor is after some time it motor reaccelerators. Okay, now we can see also interrupt induction motor more clearly, and we can close this graph and plot. You can see at this time the under voltage condition exists, and at this time the fault occurs and the slip starts constantly increasing till that at this point the voltage relay came into action and it disconnected the one motor, and his slip becomes 100%, and other motor slips start decreasing, and finally it gets reaccelerated. Slip reaches near to the zero, not zero, but near to the zero, that means it reaccelerates back. In this way, we have used the voltage relay to accelerate the motors. Thank you.